Ruthie, it's Stella. I'm just trying this new video chat here. How to look up here. I don't know what a camera is. Anyway, I'm just trying it out. It's video chat. I think it's by Skype. I don't know if you had it. I know Renee's, it worked, so because maybe yours works too. I'm here at work. So I'm just trying out who should work with, so you'll know. Okay. So I don't know if you have video chat. You do. Anyway, and so that I call you, just I guess it'll give you some instructions or something, or just try to use yours. Okay. All right. Bye. Same phone number. Everything's fine. Mom's fine. Renee was over last night. He left this morning. Okie dokie. We'll talk to you later, or see you later. Bye.